Hey, busy crafters, welcome to my channel. Welcome back if you're returning. My name is Jessica, and I called you here today because we have another fun one for you, like we always do. It is the Halloween hosted by House on Noble, as well as Buffy Designs. The link to their channels will be in the description box below, as well as the playlist, so be sure to go on over, subscribe to everybody, and give everybody some love. So now on to project number 1. We had a choice between fall or Halloween, and I normally don't do Halloween, but I'm kind of having a little bit of fun with it. So what I did is I took those little wood rounds that I got from Amazon, and on my Cricut, I didn't print out. I cut out the words Happy Halloween, Fright Night, Happy Haunting, and Spooky Season. And the reason why I did this is because about a month ago, I did a video for Temu, and they sent me a bunch of crafting supplies, which we also have Christmas supplies from them that we're going to do. And their theme was they wanted me to do a Halloween theme. So I found these adorable, cute little gnomes that are iron-on. And I thought that they were the rub-on transfers. No, they're actually iron-on, and normally I don't really like gnomes, but these ones were just really cute. And so gnomes over the years have been growing on me, I'm not gonna lie, but they have, especially the ones that you really can't see the eyes, the hats are pulled over to their eyes. Love those gnomes. But these gnomes, you can see their eyes, but there's just something so amazingly cute about these gnomes, and you're going to see pretty soon. So there's that finished project now, or that product so far. What I did is I painted that in my Waverly chalk paint in Elephant. So this is, of course, Halloween. This is going to be my last Halloween video of the season, and then we are on to fall. And I have some great ideas for fall. But the reason why I did Halloween is because I wanted to get, some of this product that I got for Halloween. I wanted to use it. Not gonna lie, I wanted to use it. So that's what I'm doing. And like I said before, I thought these were rub-on transfers. That's what I was looking for. These are iron-on transfers, and they turn out amazing. So you could put these on clothing. You could put them on canvas bags. You can put them on just about anything. I'm putting them on wood. So what I did is I placed them where I wanted them, and then of course I take my handy dandy little miniature, you guys know what it is. Mini press. There it is. See, thank you. Thank you, whoever said that. I appreciate it. And I just go ahead and iron it on there. And then I just take the film or the plastic film that was on it off of it. And these guys are so amazingly adorable. So because these are coasters, that's what we're making. I don't know if I told you guys that. I just expect you guys to just know. But you guys are very smart, and you guys probably already knew. So, yeah, we're making coasters. And so because they were coasters, I went ahead and finished them off with my Mod Podge dishwasher safe. So they have been, glazed over, or sealed, I should say, with that. Now, the only thing I'm doing right now is I'm going ahead and I have the little rubber feet that I got from Amazon, and I'm just putting the rubber feet on there. And even though they're sticky, I still like to do a little bit of the hot glue, because that's just how I roll. I don't want things falling apart. And then there's the end product. There's, it in use. Yeah. I think they're pretty cute. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. I do get back to all the comments. YouTube has been acting a little wonky lately, and so I have had to go back and see that I've missed some comments because I'm not getting the notification that people are commenting. But I am watching the comments, and let me know what you think. So now on to project number 2. Now this one is also from Temu. Now, of course, I get the pumpkin from, the one and only Dollar Tree. And then I go ahead and paint the whole thing in my Waverly chalk paint in Elephant. And then I got that little sticker. Once again, I thought it was a transfer. I was just so excited that I just started putting stuff in the cart. I'm not even going to lie. But that's what I did. And I thought it was a transfer, but it's actually a sticker. Now, this sticker would have done a lot better on a flat surface than on a, bumpy, lumpy pumpkin like this. Say that 10 times fast. Lumpy, bumpy pumpkin. Anyways, So then I go ahead and put it down. Now that sticker is kind of on the heavier side, like it's very durable. And it did have a white outline all the way around it. So I just fussy cut around the little bat. That bat was so cute. And I would prefer to do more cutesy Halloween than evil, scary, you know. That's just me. But I also got those bat wings. It was a hair tie or a hair clip. And I just use it as, you know, a little embellishment on my little pumpkin. Because I got those roses there, the purple and the orange roses, I got from Hobby Lobby, and they were 40% off. So I just go ahead and take a little stem that I wasn't being used from the flower pick, and I just go ahead and glue it down. So I only had 2 and 2, so now I'm just going to do 3 and 3, because it looked a little weird to me, and so I just wanted to go ahead and finish it off. So this one turned out pretty cute. Now, the sticker, I'm not going to lie, it's not sticking very well to the pumpkin. So unfortunately, I may have lost the sticker. But for video purposes only, it stayed during the video. So if you guys get that sticker from Temu, just be sure to put it on a flat surface and not on a lumpy, bumpy pumpkin. I think those are my new favorite words. So I wanted to, you know, hide the crease that the pumpkin has, because you go to the store, if there's a crease, then there's something wrong with that pumpkin. Don't buy it. So I wanted to hide that little crease for this carvable pumpkin from Dollar Tree. And I just go ahead and take the stickers that I got from Dollar Tree, and they're, you know, blingy blingy and kind of cute. So, and they match the, they match the bow up there. Yeah. So there's that little pumpkin. So let me know what you think about this one. I should have kept that hair tie for an actual hair tie. But once again, I don't decorate really for Halloween. And I don't really celebrate Halloween. But the cute Halloween projects and DIYs are absolutely cute. And so I couldn't resist cuteness. I just can't. I can't. So I want to go ahead and thank every single one of my subscribers. I appreciate you guys from the bottom of my heart. Like, seriously, this channel wouldn't be what it is if it wasn't for you guys. So I really do appreciate you. Thank you so much. So now on to project number 3. Now this one is it's a book stack, guys. Yep, we like book stacks over here, but this is a Halloween book stack, so we'll just roll with it. So what I did is I painted that book stack in my Waverly chalk paint elephant, as well as Apple Barrel Country Gray. That's the lighter color on top. Then Waverly chalk paint elephant on the middle, and then on the bottom is my Apple Barrel in Pewter Gray. And then I just go ahead and take the font from Cricut, and I do a Home Haunted Home. And so, yeah. During the Halloween season, I do like scarier movies. I do like, well, Hocus Pocus is not really a scary movie. It's kind of funny. And I can't believe I haven't seen Hocus Pocus 2. Like, who hasn't seen Hocus Pocus 2? If you haven't, let me know in the comments down below, because here I am waiting for Hocus Pocus 2 to come out, and I'm like, when did it come out? It came out last year, guys. So guess what I'm doing this Friday? I'm watching Hocus Pocus 2. So I got that napkin. It's it's not cutesy. I will give it that. But there was something kind of cool about it. And so I got it from the Dollar Tree. And to see that, I was like, okay, I can work with this. It's not too terribly bad. So I just go ahead and I pre-Mod Podge the book stack. And then I just go ahead and do the method of ironing it down with my mini press. And then I go ahead, because that vinyl is Paper Studio from Hobby Lobby. It's not it's removable. It's removable. So I just go ahead and Mod Podge it down as well. And I think, yeah, that was just the matte Mod Podge. It's nothing, it's not the other stuff. So then I was like, okay, it needs something else, but I don't want to put a big old wonky bow on it. And so I'm kind of doing a little bit of elegant ruffle bow that I got from Joann's. These ones come in many different colors, and they're $2.99, and I got it on sale for like 30% off. So I'm like, yeah, we're going to do that. So this was meant for another project, and it didn't work out that way. So I'm using it for this one. And so I go ahead on the edge and I just put that little ruffle down. And then I wanted it to be a little bit more than just that. So I go around it one more time, but I have the two flat ends facing each other. So that way, you know, there's ruffle on either side. So it's ruffle, flat end, ruffle, if that makes sense. If it doesn't, I'm sorry. I'm trying to explain it the best way I can, but you can see, you can see what I'm doing here. And so I'm just going to go ahead and back around. And when you get up close, you'll be like, oh, that's what she means. Why couldn't you just say that, Jess? Like, seriously. Like, why'd you have to confuse this? And I'd be like, I'm sorry, guys. I'm so sorry. Anyways, so that's what I do. And then I love old keys. Like, old keys are something that I like them. I have them hanging on my walls, you know, because you can get the decorative ones from Hobby Lobby. And so my sister, about a year ago, has given me all of her crafting supplies. And there was a small baggie of keys in there. And I was like, oh, heck yeah, this is amazing. So that's what I'm using here is those keys. And I had one that was a little bit darker, but the hole that you know had to shove the twine through was way too small, and I just really didn't feel like fighting with it. Like, I was like, nah, I'm good. So I just take some jute twine and I go ahead and round it. The key is already in there, so that way I know, you know, where to put it. And then I just go ahead and place the key there, and then yeah, just finish it all off. There's nothing spectacular or you know, super cool about it. This one isn't all, it's kind of subtle, you know, because when you're like chilling in a haunted house, like it's not colorful, it's not, you know, bam in your face, it's kind of weird. So yeah, there's Home Haunted Home Book Stack with the napkin that I decoupaged on there. And you can see that I put the two end pieces of the ribbon together and then just do jute twine with the key in the middle. And for like pennies on the dollar, you got a pretty cool Halloween decoration. And I like that font. So go ahead and follow me on all of my social medias. The links to them will be in the description box below. Now on to number 4, project number 4. Now this one was kind of like, let's just do this, you know, because I was running out of time and I want to get 5 projects out. So that's what we're going to do. I got that cutting board from Hobby Lobby last year when it was on sale for like 66, no, it was 75, because I went crazy and I don't have no more boards. Oh, I think I have one more left. So normally you can use this from the Dollar Tree, get the one from the Dollar Tree. They're a little bit smaller and skinnier, but this one works out pretty good, and it's a little bit more, you know, I don't know, the ones at the Dollar Tree are pretty good too. Yeah. So I go ahead and I place beads on the bottom. And then I just go do half beads around it. So there's 8 half beads on top, 4 beads on the bottom, 4 legs, because I want this to be a riser. And it's going to be a Halloween riser, of course. This is a Halloween video. That's what we're doing here. It's kind of out of my comfort zone with Halloween, so I kind of enjoyed it a bit. Okay, I enjoyed it a lot. You don't have to call me out, okay? All right, we get it. But anyways, so I go ahead and glue everything down first. And then I take my handy dandy Waverly chalk paint and elephant, because that's the theme of this, you know, gray and black and some more gray, and then some more gray. And then that's what we're going to do. Just gray. And I painted the whole thing, all the beads, top, bottom, sides, everything in the Waverly chalk paint in elephant. And then I pre-Mod Podged the whole thing on top with the dishwasher safe Mod Podge, because this is a riser you could put in your kitchen if you so choose to. And if it got wet, then it's not going to ruin the napkin and everything will be cool. And then there you go. An easy project that cost, you know, nearly nothing really. And if you go to the stores, you're going to probably be spending like a kidney and a liver just to buy something like this, because fluctuation, crazy out there. And so here is easy DIYs. So here is another DIY. This one was pretty much free. And here's project number 5. So my husband finally, after many years, finally finished that whiskey bottle. I really like that whiskey bottle, the shape of it. It's absolutely amazing. And so I go ahead and I painted it in Krylon, and I think it's called Deep Forest in satin. and I printed that off my Cricut. And yes, it was printed because Cricut has that wonderful feature where you can print and cut. And so that's what I did there. And it's just bat elixir. And I figured I'd do the bat elixir instead of the poison or whatever because, you know, we have the bat pumpkin. So I'm trying to tie everything in together. This is the only thing that has some kind of color. And, like, it's Halloween. It's haunted house. It's, you know, not like, super creepy. But you can't have, like, bright colors in a haunted house. Can you imagine going into a haunted house, the shingles are falling, or the siding is falling off, and the roof has a hole in it, and then there's, like, you know, purples and pinks in there? Not going to work. People will be like, what is this? So then what I do is I go ahead and I try to dirty it up a little bit with my Distress Oxide and ground espresso. And then, of course, we have to pull out a key because we're trying to keep everything together. And since this is a green bottle, it is kind of a little bit on the darker side, which is fine. It's fine. I go ahead and use the same black ribbon that I used before. And I just go ahead and do it, you know, around. And I do the same thing. I use 2 pieces and I just back them up to each other. And then I use the jute twine as well to hold the key in place, to tie everything together. So even though this is an old whiskey bottle and other things came from Dollar Tree, other things came from Hobby Lobby, and I have stuff on hand, they could technically be all used together. Because, you know, that was my plan, at least. So here I am. I got another key. This one's the bigger silver one. It's not, you know, messed up or whatever. And I just go ahead and place it there. I did not pull the jute twine tight because I kind of wanted the key to dangle there instead of being like sticking straight out like it's, you know, being strangled or something. So that's why I left a little bit of it there hanging. So let me know what you think of this one. I know, guys, okay, it's Cricut. I get it. You don't have to call me out. Okay, you did. But that's fine. Like, I understand it too. When I saw it, I was like, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Are you serious? It's Cricut. But it is what it is. So here's the final reveal of everything all together. I have to use what I have. You know, that's the bench in my foyer. I do have a table downstairs that I want to redo and use that as my, you know, area where I can, you know, have a table instead of using a bench or the dining room table or whatever. And so, yeah. But there's everything together. I think those coasters turned out absolutely cute. The pumpkin is cute. I should have used the bat on a flatter surface than, you know, what it is. I could have switched those two and just, you know, but that's Elixir. That wouldn't be on a pumpkin. That's crazy talk, Jessica. Anyways, and then there's the little haunted home, and then the little Halloween riser. So let me know what you guys think about this, what you like, what you don't like, you know, and yeah. So go ahead and please subscribe. There's like 67% of you that watch my videos but don't subscribe. What you waiting for? Come on, be a part of our YouTube family and, you know, enjoy the quirkiness and the craziness that we have over here. You won't be disappointed. Again, I want to go ahead and thank the host, House on Noble, as well as Buffy Designs, for having me on this playlist. I appreciate you guys hosting, and thank you so much. For all of you guys watching and clicking on this video, remember to like, share, subscribe, and comment. I do get back to the comments. I appreciate every single one of you guys from the bottom of my heart. You guys are all so important to me. And until I see you on the next one, which will hopefully be tomorrow with fall, God bless you and have a great day. Bye.